Former Second Finance Minister Johari Ghani said the only way to resolve the current political impasse and save the country was to have an interim Prime Minister manage the Covid-19 and economic crises, and set a date for Parliament to be dissolved so that the mandate to decide the destiny of the nation could be returned to the voters. The UMNO leader told FMT that it was obvious that our country is heading towards a constitutional crisis, following the expression of disappointment by the Yang di-Pertuan Agong over the revocation of the emergency ordinances without his consent, and the reply by the Prime Minister's office that the government had taken action in accordance with the federal constitution and the rule of law. As of now, our country is already facing health, economic, and political crises, and we cannot afford a constitutional crisis that will affect our nation's path to recovery from COVID-19. Therefore, it's high time for leaders of all parties, whether from the government or opposition, to support the appointment of an interim Prime Minister so that the government can focus on ensuring vaccination efforts won't be derailed, as only 19% of Malaysia's population has been fully vaccinated, said Johari. He said the interim Prime Minister, with the advice of public health experts, could then set a definitive timeline for Parliament to be dissolved and a general election to be held to return the mandate to Malaysians and resolve this stalemate once and for all. Noting that the COVID-19 Vaccine Supply Access Guarantee Special Committee had targeted for all adults in Malaysia to be fully vaccinated by October 2021, Johari said the interim Prime Minister could set the dissolution of Parliament for the end of the year and a general election to be held by early 2022.